Alright guys, check this out. I am sanding a floor in a rental house, a wooden floor, with a 5-inch Orbital sander. And it sucks. I did most of it with a commercial one that I got from a hardware store, but I got all the little cracks and crevices that I need to do. Plus, I got to do the 120 grit to get the pores sealed. So, instead of grueling, time-consuming, painful, doing it on my knees, what I did was I got my drill out and I got a tiny little screw and I put, there it is, I just put a little screw right there on the top of my Craftsman Orbital sander. I had a wooden broomstick. It's just a solid wooden broomstick. It's got a flat end. I don't know if you can see, but all I did was drilled a hole about the size of the screw there. And now check this out. And you can see I taped it onto the cord, and that's just some painter's tape. But I put that right there. Now I'm not saying that this is a long-term anything that'll last forever, but I'm here to tell you, brother, this is much easier than doing it on my knees, and it does a real good job. Use both hands, I can go straight up and down, put a little pressure on it, and it just follows. Every now and then that thing will poke out of there, and all I gotta do is just chase it. I got one hand, there it is. But I just go back and forth, and I know it says go with the grain, but I've been doing this, and man, it seems to be working just fine. So, if you wanna save your knees and get quite a bit of floor done in a short amount of time without spending a whole lot on an orbital sander or anything else that you would use, that's a fantastic little, life hack, I guess, or some kind of cheat. But man, it works real good. So hopefully this helps somebody out. Enjoy.